Starting around 16 October 2023, Theta organization in every practical sense is exchanging at 60 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Theta really has an essentially all-out market cap of $599,708,196, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,353,523 in a significant manner. This especially makes Theta organization, Theta, extremely positioning at 59 in the digital money market in a genuinely large manner. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Theta organization cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Theta organization in a real sense be fundamentally worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely huge? Is Theta organization a fundamentally wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very huge? Will Theta cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, which sort of is very critical? These certainly are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in every practical sense, large way. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023, as per the Theta organization estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost for the most part is supposed to for the most part cross a truly normal value level of 91 cents, the normal certainly least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the in every practical sense, current year ought to especially be 87 cents. Fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, Theta can sort of arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of 99 cents in an unpretentious manner. Theta value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization in every way that really matters is estimated to explicitly be at around a sort of least worth of 73 cents in every practical sense, huge way. The Theta organization value worth can explicitly arrive at a sort of limit of 82 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta organization value expectation September 2023. Theta organization cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023, while the especially normal cost of Theta for the September especially remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value gauge October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may arrive at a sort of least worth of 81 cents, while the kind of most extreme estimated cost fundamentally is around 90 cents, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The by and large normal cost for Theta certainly is in every practical sense anticipated to essentially reach 84 cents in October 2023, kind of additional appearance how starting around 16 October 2023, Theta organization truly is exchanging at 60 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in kind of most recent 1 hour amazingly. Theta value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization truly is determined to generally be at around a truly least worth of 84 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. The Theta organization value worth can fundamentally arrive at an especially limit of 95 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Theta organization, Theta, value gauge December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may sort of arrive at an in every way that really matters, least worth of 87 cents, while the extremely greatest gauge cost basically is around 99 cents, or so they truly thought. The typical cost for Theta sort of is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly reach 91 cents in December 2023, so Theta organization value expectation September 2023. Theta organization cost explicitly is supposed to for the most part reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023, while the typical cost of Theta for the September explicitly remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value figure October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may really arrive at an all things considered least worth of 81 cents, while the all things considered greatest gauge cost especially is around 90 cents, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta organization most certainly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been certainly diminished by 0.52% in its ongoing worth, which really is very huge. On the off chance that we most certainly look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in an especially significant manner. From certainly most recent 7 days, the Theta was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.58%, which especially shows that besides Theta can, all things considered, arrive at an extremely most extreme value level of 99 cents, which truly is very huge. Theta organization explicitly has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be by and large great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta fundamentally diminished by 48.212%, wiping out an incredible truly normal amount of 56 cents from its genuinely current worth, or so they especially thought. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can for the most part be a sort of good purchase and open door for genuinely speedy venture, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 43.10%, and the cost for the most part circled from a base pretty typical cost of 97 cents to pretty greatest truly normal cost of $1.06 in the sort of beyond 90 days, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta organization essentially is somewhere near 20.46%, with the genuinely greatest kind of typical cost of the coin fundamentally was around 78 cents, and the by and large least typical cost of generally was around 76 cents, in for the most part beyond 4 months, which for the most part is very critical. Theta organization value gauge 2023 facts. What will truly be Theta organization truly worth in 2023 in an especially huge manner? The Theta cost by and large is estimated to truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of 99 cents, with fundamentally least cost of 87 cents toward the finish of 2023, which sort of shows that Theta value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization certainly is gauged to for the most part be at around a kind of least worth of 84 cents, which sort of is very critical. Does Theta organization generally have a future, which in a real sense is genuinely huge? As far as value, Theta organization certainly has a remarkable kind of potential to generally arrive at new levels, which sort of is genuinely critical. It by and large is gauged that Theta will increment in esteem, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. As per really unambiguous specialists and business experts, Theta organization can in a real sense hit the all things considered greatest cost of $4.47 till 2030, showing how Theta value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization for the most part is gauged to by and large be at around an especially least worth of 73 cents. Amazingly, is Theta organization sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of significant manner?